I'm Dr. Rosie Robison, and I am one of the two coordinators of the Shared Green Deal project, and I work at Anglia Ruskin University in the UK. ARU, as the coordinator of the whole project, is involved in every aspect of what we will be doing over the next 5 years, but in particular we are also leading on the efficient renovation stream of experiments and supporting the clean energy stream of experiments. I think one of the most innovative contributions that the Shared Green Deal project is going to make is because it's working across so many different sustainability sectors. So it's working across energy, mobility, food, biodiversity, as well as circular economy, and we'll be drawing out lessons for climate action and zero pollution. It's really unusual to have a project which spans so many different topics and brings them together in the consortium to be working closely with partners across Europe. So I'm really excited to get stuck into it. One of the particular areas of expertise that ARU brings to the project is our leadership in social sciences and humanities research for transition policies. So in particular, we've led on the Shape Energy and Energy Shifts projects over the last 4 years, looking at energy transitions and how the social sciences and humanities can support better policy making for clean energy transitions. But of course, Shared Green Deal expands this to looking at how the social sciences and humanities can really contribute to reaching the climate neutrality targets that Europe has set. We're really excited about the scale and scope of the Shared Green Deal project. It's a 5-year project, it has 22 partners, and we are going to be working with hundreds and hundreds of community members across Europe. And we're really looking forward to this in-depth working over quite an extended period of time, as well as building the Shared Green Deal network, which will run right up to 2030.